This is the Peninsula Suite of the Cliff Bay Hotel in Fengshui. And you have, first of all, a walk-in wardrobe. And then we have a bathroom with a large shower. There's a toilet behind that. Then we have a kitchen. And a dining room. And off the dining room, there's a large balcony. That view. There are sun lounges. And off the dining room we have a living room. Huge telly. And off the living room, there's another large balcony with another lovely view. And then going back towards the entrance, through here, we have another bathroom with a large shower and a massive bath, funny shape. Some wardrobes, a desk, huge beds, and then a balcony with a beautiful Wi-Fi. Cheers!